Guys, may dumating ngayong araw. I finally got, guys, ang aking silver play button. Oh my gosh. Thank you so much, YouTube, for this. And thank you to all of my subscribers sa YouTube. Sa natin. I started making content sa YouTube way back 2019. Actually, nagsimula talaga ako sa YouTube at lately lang ako naging inactive dito. Pero nagsimula talaga tayo from scratch, from 0 subscribers until now. Narating natin ang ika-100,000 subscribers natin. Dito tayo ngayon sa office sa Petrology and bubuksan natin ang ating silver play button. Ayan siya.
Siyempre gamit tayo ballpen. Takpan ko lang yung details.
Yung
Yan na. Yun.
What? May note si YouTube. Do you remember your first subscriber? Your 100 or your 1,000 subscriber? Chances are you do. Oh my God. Neil Mohan. Thank you so much po. Wow. Doc Jello TV, 100,000 subscribers. Silver plate. Guys, ganito yung itsura niya. OMG. Wow. Amazing. You know what, guys? I'm not really that kind of person who's fond of awards or recognition, but this one signifies yung support na nakuha natin sa lahat ng supporters natin. Thank you so much, YouTube, for giving me this. And of course, thank you so much sa lahat ng subscribers ko. Hindi ko mararating to, hindi ka sumuporta sa ating channel. And my heartfelt thanks sa inyong lahat ng mga fur parents who supported me all these years. Grabe, guys. Thank you so much. Hagis ko kaya ito sa mga employee ko. No. Yun, grabe. Doc Jello TV. Birds! Angel! Gulat ka! Der! Nasa lamig yan, Der! Kinabahan!
Pala kung
Silver play button. Yan, Der. Never ako nag-desire ng fame sa buhay ko. All I want for this channel is to educate and share educational videos para sa lahat ng mga fur parents. I wish everyone a good health and maraming salamat po.